always ask me what is oil canning. Behind me right now is a very good example of oil canning. At this house, that's an old flat standing seam panel. This is not a regular panel. And with the water on the roof and the reflection, you can really see it. Since that's a flat panel, there are no striations and no ribs in those panels. It looks like the panels are dented, but trust me, I was just walking on that roof. That's not the case. That roof is perfectly flat, but because it's perfectly flat, it looks dented now. So that is the oil canning effect behind me. Oil canning. That roof is not dented. That's just an optical illusion based on the way the sun is hitting those flat panels. If this video helped you understand what oil canning is, so now you understand finally, what is this oil canning thing that people keep talking about? Please follow us, subscribe to our videos on YouTube, and also subscribe to our Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias. Give us a follow. And then if you need a roof, give us a call at 561-559-ROOF for Palm Beach, Martin, St. Lucie counties. If you are in Miami, Broward, the Keys, 305 MIA Roof, and give us a call for any of your construction needs. Also, Perkins Construction, our sister company, we can handle impact windows, concrete restoration, painting, floors, bathrooms, kitchens, you name it, we do it. Perkins Construction. Give us a call today and we will help you out and educate you along the way to give you what you actually want, what you desire. Thanks for watching.